Hi, everyone. This is Jeff with Pie of Genius. I'm a business and executive coach, and I'm here to talk to you specifically if you feel too busy. You're too busy in your organization, you're too busy in your business, you have an inspiring vision, you have amazing value you want to provide, but you just feel like you're just chasing your tail. So much is going on, and you know deep down inside, if you could just sort of take a pause and get some perspective and come up with a new plan, maybe a new way to be, that then maybe you can advance forward with more speed and energy and alignment. If that's you, take a look at this video. All right, guys, check it out. Do you know what I hear all the time from business owners, organization owners, leaders? I'm too busy. I'm too busy. I'm just too busy putting out fires, doing the next thing. And I'm so busy working in my business, in my organization, that I don't have the time to work on it. Now, think about that for a second, though. If you are so busy working in your business and don't have the time to work on your business, do you really think that in 6 weeks, in 6 months, heck, in 6 years, that something's going to change if you don't take the time to pause and look at your business, work on your business to work smarter, to understand how to communicate with your team, how to create an amazing team that can move you forward? Do you think that's going to happen? It probably, maybe it is for you, but it probably isn't. It's just going to be the same thing in 6 months. You'll be saying the same thing. If that's you, and you realize, you know what? It would be such a blessing if I could pause and take some time to work on my business, gain some clarity on how to be more productive, create some alignment on my team, more energy, and not just the things on what you would do, but move to a place where you could be the way you want to be, to feel the way you want to feel as you go into work on Monday morning, as you go throughout your day, as you're meeting with your team, as you're engaging with customers and clients. What if you didn't have to be so busy? What if you didn't have to feel so frazzled? What if you could feel something else? What is it that you would like to create? That's what I'm offering you. I have a 6-week course. We meet 45 to 60 minutes once a week for 6 weeks. And I can guarantee you, by the end of 6 weeks, you will have far more energy, calm, clarity, alignment with your team, because you've taken the time, not because I'm so smart, because frankly, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to help you discover what you want to do, what you need to do, help you understand your employees better. And at the end of 6 weeks, you'll look back and say, wow, I cannot believe the amount of progress, the amount of alignment, the amount of energy, and frankly, how less busy I feel and how more energized I feel. If that sounds like something that would benefit you, then check out the link below. And it's called Leverage Your Genius, because that's what I'm going to help you do. I'm going to help you leverage your genius. And in 6 weeks, you'll create something amazing. All right, guys, check it out. It'll be in the description below. And I look forward to hearing from you. And you don't have to be busy. You don't have to be frazzled. It can be different. All right, guys, keep thriving. Lean into your genius. All right, bye-bye.